Lodo town. As you can see, this is the roads. That one comes all the way from Kakuma, goes all the way to Lodo town. As you go to Kitale, as you go, this is the one road that connects from Mombasa up to South Sudan. As you can see, this the same road as you can see I'm showing you. That one goes to South Sudan. That one comes from all the way from Mombasa to Nairobi, to Nakuru, to Eldoret, to Kitale. Now we are in Lolo, as you can see, as it indicates there. Then the other one showing on the left hand goes to Kalokol. That's B72 road. But the one on the straight line goes up to that one is A1 road now. The one I'm showing you, as you can see. So, and this is Lodo town. It's big, as you can see. Yeah, the road up to Lodo town. This is a village town. Yo guys, let me show you. That's the way to go to Lodo. This is Bakawala, sir. Goes all the way. Skala, sir. Morning. There is a blessing there. There is a bloom there, as you can see. The weather is a different day. We show you. It rained yesterday night till today morning. So it rained heavily, as you can see. It's a blessing. God has blessed us with heavy rains, which is a nice thing sometimes. So, guys, thank you for clicking to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I hope you can subscribe and share and like and comment. I'm taking you on a quick tour. Yesterday because like today in Turkana there is heavy rains everywhere. It just rained everywhere. The weather is blue. As you can see, clouds all over the places. Yeah. See all those mountains. The weather is blue. No clouds, which is a blessing sometimes. The shit is. Lots of clouds. So I'm taking you on where the road. This is the roadway to Kakuma, but I'm not going to Kakuma. I'm just making some walk with my motorbike, as you can see. See over there. Yeah, I'll show you the roads. sometimes we thank God, not even sometimes, but we thank God because here in our place, Turkana, sometimes normally we don't have rains. So if the rains comes once in a while. Sometimes it becomes a blessing because here in Turkana we depend a lot in water, and also animals depends on water. So everything depends on water, as you guys know. And as you see in our place, Turkana, normally we don't have rains. It's a semi-desert area, as you can see. Yeah. So over there is Quito's Lounge Club. It's our newest club in Turkana. Yeah. Thank you guys. Keep watching, keep subscribing to my channel as I take you on my journey on my cook tour. Yeah, that is Quito's Lodge. Yo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. That is River Kawalase. As I am showing you there. It flowed yesterday, as you can see. So this water goes to Lake Turkana, comes all the way from mountains over there, and which it rained yesterday over that places, that mountain over there that I'm showing you. So it had rained yesterday there, that's why you see this water flowing all the way goes to that way. So these rivers found itself in Turkana and it is passes through Lodo town, as you can see. As you can see in Lodo, like we have two rivers that crosses between the town. Yeah. That's River Kaolaze and River Takwel. The River Takwel is on the other side, but this one is on the other side also. But all of them takes their water to the Lake Turkana.